Hello everyone, welcome back to the UltFone channel. Has your iPhone entered the activation lock screen and cannot be unlocked after upgrading to iOS 27? In today's video, we will go in depth on how to unlock an iPhone that is linked to the original owner after upgrading to iOS 27 and remove the iCloud activation lock. Before we start, let's take a look at a commonly used tool, 3uTools. Using third-party tools to try to remove the iCloud activation lock can be difficult and often requires complex technical operations, such as manually flashing firmware and using additional third-party software. For users unfamiliar with these advanced operations, the process can be time-consuming and quite frustrating. Therefore, we recommend using UltFone iPhone Unlock, which offers a simpler and faster solution. This tool can solve various password-related issues on iPhone, iPad, and iPod, giving users full control of their device. The download link for UltFone iPhone Unlock is provided in the video description. Now, let's see how it works. First, connect your iPhone to the computer and launch the UltFone iPhone Unlock program. Then, select Remove Actiavtion Activation Lock and click Start. The program will automatically put your device into recovery mode, then follow the on-screen prompts to enter DFU mode for jailbreaking. Press the Start button to begin the process while holding down the volume down and power buttons until the countdown ends. Release the power button, but continue holding the volume down button until the device successfully enters DFU mode. iPhone Unlock will start the jailbreaking process, which typically takes about 10 minutes, so please be patient. Once jailbreaking is successful, the iPhone will automatically enter recovery mode. The activation lock removal is in progress and will be completed soon. Please wait for the tool to finish this task. Once the lock is successfully removed, the device will restart. If you receive a message that the iPhone is locked to the owner, don't worry. Continue with the setup process and you will be able to access and use your iPhone. The iCloud activation lock will also be removed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.